This video is based on the commensalism computation of negative interaction of the biological factor. The last video I have explained you that is positive and negative interaction with the mutualism and commensalism, negative interaction with the predation and parasitism. Now I am going to explain about the continuation of negative interaction of biological factor with the computation and commensalism. Competition means, as you know, that competition between the two species. Okay, the two species in between the competition between the two species that may be in the similar species or in the different species. Okay, in this there is two types: intraspecific and interspecific. Intraspecific means, suppose you are taking a rose plant. In between the rose plant, they have the competition. If you're taking the in between the same species, in same species, the competition will be very heavy and severe. Why? Because both they share their needs similar. Their need will be very similar to each other, and because the food will be similar and their nutrients and their water availability and other like pollination, everything will be similar for these plants of same species. When compared to the interspecific interaction, two different species, they will be having a competition, but it is in the lesser when compared to the intraspecific competition, because their food habitat and pollination and their nutrient cycle will be differ from one to another. Okay, so this is the interspecific interaction is similar in species. In between the similar species, the interaction, that is the competition, takes place. It's very severe and same. And in their requirement like food and their nutrients and their pollination, everything will be similar, so the competition will be very high. Both share their relationship, their needs will be very essential needs will be similar, so the competition will be heavy. And so that the competition means that is the both organism get harmed by this technique, that is competition. Competition means both the organism get harmed by this technique. Both will be taking an equal amount of nutrients, so it is not fulfill the one particular. So both will be get harmed by this competition. That is definition of competition. Next, interspecific competition, as I told you informed as I told you earlier, that it in between the different species, it will be in the grassland. So two different grassland. Grass is same, but some different species of the grassland is there. Two different grasslands is there, but two different species, so they show the some decreased level of competition in between them, because there little competition only, because the quantity of the water and quantity of the nutrients for their requirement will be vary from species to species. Hence the competition will be differ. And the example of this interspecific interaction is different species of herbivores, that is like sheep and goats and cow larvae, grasshoppers, all will be get competited, but differ the little competition only, because both all the quantity of the water for their requirement, nutrient for their requirement will be differ from species to species, and all will be competing for the fodder, that is, you know that what is fodder, and animals foods is fodder. Okay, and also it struggle for the sunlight, water, pollination and dispersal of the seeds. These are all the requirement for these all those things, and also these are all the getting struggle for these things. Okay, and example Articularia is, you know, a bladywort. It is a aquatic plant. This plant is get competed with the fish, tiny fishes and small crustaceans and insects. Insects which is present in the water, and the crustaceans means that is crab or the prawns is called small crustaceans. It's present in the water, and tiny fishes, small crustaceans like crabs and prawns and insects is get competed with this by this Articularia. So this is about a competition. Next time coming to the commensalism. Commensalism is nothing but commensalism. I told you that is competition is, I told you here, that is both the organisms is get harmed is called competition. But if you are taking the commensalism, here the one get harmed, another get neither benefited nor harmed. Okay, so neither benefited nor harmed, like you saw in the commensalism. Commensalism one get benefited, another one is neither benefited nor harmed. Likewise, here commensalism comes under the negative interaction, right? So that it's one get harmed, another one is neither it's get benefited or nor it's harmed. Example I am trying to say, this is the definition, that is, it's one get harmed, another is it's not no benefit, that is neither it's get benefited or nor it is harmed. Okay, so this is definition, and here both harmed due to the competition, both are harmed due to the competition. So next, amensalism is nothing but example. If you are taking the Penicillium netotum, Penicillium netotum is a fungi which is giving the which is secreting some substances, antibiotic substances. These substances which is secreting from the fungi which will kill the bacteria like a gram-positive bacteria like a Staphylococcus aureus. So Staphylococcus aureus get died by this Penicillium netatum is producing some substances. That substances is going and killing another particular organism. So one get this not get any benefit or not get it is any harmful, but it is secreting some substances. Through that substances, the gram-positive bacteria, kind of bacterial infections, bacteria get died by this method. And also Trichoderma is a fungi that's also producing some substances that is also stop the growth of the Aspergillus fungi. So Trichoderma also producing some substances that is called the that is going and stopping the growth of the Aspergillus. Next, the roots of the hunts of the black walnut Julgens nigra. It's a walnut, black walnut nigra. Black walnut producing plant secrete the alkaloid substances called juglone. Okay, that juglone is which inhibit the seedlings of apple and tomato and all those things, alfalfa around it. Okay, alfalfa means all some cereals and tomato, apple seedlings get stopped by black walnut. The black walnut name is juglones, and it producing alkaloid substances called juglone. Here the black walnut, it is not getting benefit or nor it is not harmed, but it producing some substances, through that it is get affected. Okay, so and also the inhibition is achieved by secretion of what I am trying to say here. That is, it is one is get harmed, another is not benefited or not harmed. Okay, so but it is producing some chemical substances is called antibiogenesis or the antibiosis. The amensalism is also called antibiosis. So also called antibiosis or the antibiosis or the antibiosis or the antibiotics or the antibiogenesis or the antibiosis. So these two will be it is one organism get harmed, another is get benefited. Okay, so another is not get benefited nor it's harmed. Okay, so one get harmed here, another is get combated, another is get not benefited, not harmed. But it is producing some chemical substances called antibiosis or the antibiosis. While this antibiotic will have the tendency to kill the another organisms, right? Yes, so that is called the thing, that antibiotics that is produced, Penicillium notatum producing a penicillium that causes the gram-positive bacteria to death, and also the Trichoderma causing their death to the fungi. And also black walnut juglone is producing a juglone is alkaloid. That alkaloid will kill the seedlings of apple, tomato and all those things like apple, tomato and alfalfa around it. Okay, that's all about the negative interaction. Thank you.